again live to Twitch, twitch.tv/smAsho. For our meteorology segment, starting out with jet streams here of the eastern world. So there are the 250 hectopascal winds from nullschool.net. It's the jet streams of the eastern world. We see a massive divergence here in eastern Australia. Jet stream blowing backwards over the Indian Ocean once again, as well as part of the Pacific. Highly incoherent jet streams in the northern hemisphere. Let's look at surface winds of the east before we turn planet Earth to the west. And some strong winds around places like Japan, south of the Aleutians, and south of Australia. Here are surface winds of the western world. Some strong onshore winds there at Greenland, as well as southern South America. And off the coast of south of Baja California there's a strong system there as well. Here are the jet streams. Massive anticyclone here off of the east coast of the U.S. See that clockwise rotation? Massive anticyclone there, to the point where it's affecting the jet stream the same way this massive anticyclone over British Columbia is affecting the western portion of it. And the jet stream behavior is what's causing the current weather pattern in the U.S. The east coast is being heated up by hot air and water coming out of the central Atlantic Ocean. Continuing on. And we are streaming live. Just give us a moment here. And here's the NASA GOES lightning mapper. Let me just check the life of the stream to make sure everything is good to go. And it's not good to go at all because we didn't show any of that stuff. Anyway, there are the jet streams of the western world. Here are the surface winds. Surface winds of the east. And I apologize for the test pattern being up there, folks. It happens. It's the danger of streaming live. Here are the jet streams of the east. And back to the jet streams of the west, as that is a more major story with the heat waves, especially the west coast heat wave. We'll get to it. Here's the NASA GOES lightning mapper. Quite a lot of lightning over North America here over the past 6 hours. Quite a bit of lightning here. And let's look at the real-time lightning map. So quite a lot of lightning here on a global scale continuing. Some over Europe, as well as North America there. And some in northern Canada as well, kicking up. Here is a pressure map from windy.com. We'll advance this till tomorrow. There is the pressure forecast for 1300 hours, 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. The entire South Polar region characterized by low pressure. Antarctica totally surrounded. So here's the forecast for the jet stream. And this is the jet stream forecast through, this is for 1800 Universal Time on Thursday. So 1800 Universal Time, that's 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And here's the forecast for temperature anomaly. So we're expecting Thursday here, Thursday, July 1st, to be at like 15 degrees Celsius below normal average temperatures. And this long band of cold stretching all the way down to Baja California, all the way from Nova Scotia to Baja California, a long strand here of quite anomalously low temperatures as we see anomalously high temperatures. And it's all caused by this jet stream flow, folks. So there's the 250 hectopascal winds, the jet stream, and there is the temperature anomaly. And the jet stream's in control of your weather. And it's what's causing these massive heat advisories here. Those are excessive heat warnings, also heat advisories here, as well as some flooding watches, all down from Lake Michigan down to southwestern Texas. That's weather.gov, by the way. Here's the U.S. Doppler radar map, and quite a bit of rain here over the center part of the country, as well as some strong storms moving oddly east to west here near the Georgia-Alabama border. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And you can see those clouds there moving east to west. Not exactly a normal pattern for you there in Alabama. Here's the water vapor map. And again, we are streaming live. Let me just give that a minute to load. And that's probably the best map to look at. And what you're getting here is you're getting a pulse of dry air, which is pushing these systems to the west. And it all has to do with this anticyclone rotating clockwise here in the central Atlantic Ocean. And of course, jet stream forcing as well. Anyway, here's a recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Here's the cloud layer. There's the water vapor. And we hope that gave you some insight into the meteorological situation. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho. Don't forget to press like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Tell your friends and foes about the channel. It's me signing off from the Smash News Network, Least Busted. Name and News.